My name is Magda Chlebus. I work for the European Federation of Pharmaceutical Industries and Associations, EFPIA, as Executive Director for Science Policy and Regulatory Affairs, and I'm responsible for all innovation policies for the pharmaceutical industry in our federation. Patients play a very important role in the R&D processes, and I would say at all stages of research planning, research execution, and research evaluation. And it is really important to have them engaged, truly engaged in that dialogue, so that research can become from product-centric only or technology-centric only to patient-centric really. And I think from that point of view, patient engagement and collaboration is absolutely essential. Now, how to achieve that isn't easy. And the only way of doing that for the moment is to be very open, to communicate a lot, and to have networks through which engage this systematic dialogue with patients' organizations in order to understand their needs. As I already said before, patient engagement is a condition sine qua non to make research truly patient-centric, to create products and services that respond to the patient need, to make them relevant to individual patients, but also to the society. Now, how to do it? Patient engagement is not easy. First, because patient community is fragmented. There are many patients who are in patients' organizations, but there are many patients that are not in patients' organizations. There are many organizations today that take patient engagement as a challenge and try to address it in a very systematic way. The European Patient Academy, EUPATI, the Paradigm Project in the Innovative Medicines Initiative, PFMD, Patients-Focused Medicines Development, or CTTI on clinical trials are just examples of organizations that develop methodologies and that help bringing patients into the research processes as a part of the DNA of researchers rather than just a tick boxing. The impact of these initiatives, it's only starting now. I think the first and foremost was for us to make sure that patient engagement as a concept is understood by all researchers. No matter where they are in the research value chain, from planning through execution to evaluation, and in all types of research, whether at preclinical stage, clinical development, or outcomes measures. So the first thing is to make sure that people understand the concept, and I think that today the concept of patient engagement is better understood than ever. But it is not yet part of the DNA of every researcher. So the second step is to scale up these initiatives' outputs and implement them in practice, and also to assess this implementation. This is what these initiatives are doing today in order to change the patient engagement paradigm and the research paradigm. This is happening right now.